B, as in the beginning sound of banana. D, as in the beginning sound of dino. F, beginning sound of fish. G, g, beginning sound of guitar. H, beginning sound of hand. J, beginning sound of jelly. K, beginning sound of car. L, beginning sound of leaf. M, beginning sound of Monday. N, beginning sound of nail. Ng, the ending sound of sing. P, beginning sound of pumpkin. R, beginning sound of rain. S, beginning sound of sun. Z, as in the middle of treasure. T, beginning sound of turtle. V, beginning sound of volcano. W, w, beginning sound of watch. Y, beginning sound of yo-yo. Z, beginning sound of zip. Qu, for Q, and X for X. And the digraphs are ch, beginning sound of child. Sh, beginning sound of shoes. Th, beginning sound of mother. And th, beginning sound of third. A, for apple. E, for elephant. I, for igloo. A, for octopus. For umbrella. And the long vowels are A, for rain. A, for the beginning of saw. E, beginning or ending sound of tree. And I, as in the middle sound of light. And O, the middle sound of boat. And U, beginning sound of uniform. U, for the middle sound of mood. For the middle sound of book. Ow, for the final sound in cow. And oi, for the final sound in boy. R controlled. R, for the final sound in car. For the middle sound in herd and bird. Air, for the final sound in chair. Ear, for the final sound in spear. And or, for the middle sound in orc. And the schwa sound is going to be as in the beginning of again.